Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Supreme Wolves, and right now I'm going to show you guys how to fix your videos if you are uploading them pixelated. Okay guys, I had this problem for all of my videos, every single one except for the recent one that I uploaded, which is this one, the 2K19 one, best dribble moves, best jump shot. Alright, so I'm going to click on one of these videos to show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, as you can see, this video is terrible. No one wants to watch a pixelated video. Me, I did not know how to fix it. I'm sorry, but now I do, so all my videos will be coming out full HD 1080p 60 frames per second. Alright guys, I'm sorry about this. This shit is ugly. I would not want to watch this either. Alright guys, as you can see in this video, it is clear, full 1080, full 60 frames per second. Alright guys, and when I uploaded the other videos, they all said 1080p 60 frames per second, and I had no idea what was going on, but now I do, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. Alright guys, so now that you have your video that you want to export, you're done editing, what you want to do is find a stock that has a format of MP4. Now this is what I used to use, MWV, which is Windows Media Video, and it has a format of ASF. Okay, and what messed me up was because the supported files, WMV was there. Supported files for YouTube, WMV was there, but ASF wasn't. Okay guys, that's what messed me up. I had no idea what to do, but now I changed it to high profile H.264. Alright, this has the format of MP4, resolution 1920 by 1080, aspect ratio 16 by 9, and frames per second, which is 60 frames. Alright guys, make sure you do find a stock that has a format of MP4. I'm not sure if every stock works because I did use YouTube before, and this has a format of MP4, and I believe that did not work for me. Alright, so if you guys are using shortcut, I suggest using high profile. Alright, just to get the best out of your videos and for your videos to be looking like this, very clear. Okay, I apologize guys for having pixelated videos, but that would be no more since I fixed my settings on exporting my videos. Alright guys, so sorry for the struggle. Sorry, I would not want to watch those videos either. Alright, but now you don't have to worry. Alright guys, so hopefully this did help you guys. If it did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification just to stay up to date with my videos, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one.